you'll see that the full spectrum roll-ons, the full spectrum product is all going to be made from that basic 1 or 2 pass distillate. That's 90% of the products on the market are currently made with distillate. If it has any bit of THC in it, like that 10-to-1 that Zevin has in the tincture, that is a distillate tincture, correct, Zevin?
I'm pretty sure that Ernie made it out of mother liquor, actually.
He did. Actually, I did so that's 1,000 milligrams of mother liquor. And yes, that is actually mother liquor. And I made that tincture. So, yeah, that is the one that I currently use day to day. That is my favorite tincture that I've ever made. So you're going to find that distillate is going to make, or mother liquor, either one, they're kind of the same. That distillate or that mother liquor is going to be what really helps the clients, and what you're going to see most manufacturers try to put in.
Distillate is used in like body butters. Distillate is used in a lot of the things that your wife is making when it comes to the salves, right? People normally aren't using isolate because of the fact that it's just a powder. It's just a crystalline form. It's an isolated molecule, but a lot of people are using the distillates for its entourage effect with the full spectrum basis of cannabinoids inside of the oil itself. Distillate is an oil. So you could put it in gummies, you could put it in topicals and tinctures and all of these things and mix it up, and it comes out to be a perfect product.